Yo, what is up, junkies? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day we send the Miata off, and it's gonna be gone for a couple weeks. So real quick, I just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing of something because I'm shipping actually everything I have out, and then I'm waiting for a couple more parts from Fab 9 in terms of oil cooler, fuel pump, and then he has like extra bits that he forgot. It wasn't his fault. It's because like we had a lot of communication back and forth, and it was like a lot of things. It's gonna come in soon, so I'm gonna give you guys an unboxing of this cool gauge pod I bought from Ortiz Custom. I got this from Ortiz Customs actually a while back, and they do custom gauge products. And the fitment actually just goes directly in. And the one I got is the dual one. So let's check out the quality here. Holy smacks. Let's check it out. Wow, these look sick. So it would be going on my, what? Oh yeah, so it'd go on like this. Sorry guys, silly me. It fits perfectly. It actually looks really nice. For this, I'm gonna be putting my oil and temp, and then I have the boost gauge here. The boost gauge is also dual. It could be air and fuel, and also a boost gauge, smart boost gauge. So check it out if you guys are trying to pick one up. Ortiz Customs, I'll drop the link below. The battery's dead, so I'm trying to, and the clip stuck a gear, so. Last time we see it, boys. Alright guys, it's now been a couple days. I was gonna end the vlog earlier, but it was kind of short, so I kind of want to just keep going with it. But it is now Sunday, and we got our Toemi that we were talking about in the other vlogs. We're gonna unbox this, and also got a couple more cool things for you guys. The Miata is now gone. I'm expecting it to be done maybe at the end of the month, possibly in a couple weeks. It really depends on the transmission. The turbo is actually almost in, so right now let's just unbox this, and then I'm gonna wrap this video up. Got the bolts here. Ooh, came with the silencer. That's gonna be useful. The packaging is pretty nice. Holy crap. This is so light. Alright guys, so here it is, the titanium Toemi. Man, this exhaust looks freaking crazy. Does have a little wear and tear, but that's fine. Right now it's not as shiny as I want it, so next weekend I'm gonna do probably just polish it, and I'll make a video on that, bring it back to life. But this is gonna be a screamer, boys. It's gonna be really loud, and it does come with a silencer right here. He has all the bolts and the gasket, so it'll be a pretty straightforward install. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring it home and install it here, or I'm just gonna bring it to the shop and install it. Just because right now it doesn't have any straight pipe and it's loud. Man, look how light this is. Seriously, dude. All right guys, so we have a fuel pump. I already unboxed it, but I mean, This fuel pump right here is a Dashboard 300, or however you say it. It's gonna give me a little bit more power for the 2.5. I don't know if I'm gonna install this right away, just because I don't know if I want so much power off the bat. I still gotta learn how to drive the damn thing. Next up, we have the catch can from Mishimoto. This oil catch can is gonna help me. It's just gonna help me filter all the excess oil coming through the charge pipes and stuff. Check out the quality on this. It feels nice and heftier here. I bought the 2-port one. I didn't feel the need to buy a 3-port. Open this up. And here's probably the port. I mean, it's kind of like, if you're going boost, you kind of need an oil catch can. It's like a necessity. So I figured I just might as well get the best I can get, right? All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I gotta edit the video for you guys right now and then send it out. I start school tomorrow, so I'm gonna be a little bit more busy. I'm still gonna try to pump as much vlogs as I can. But right now I can't vlog anything because there's no car. But I'm waiting on the transmission. It's been 7 weeks already, so I don't know. I'm gonna email Lee tomorrow, see when that's getting built in or at least sent out. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, and then if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. And remember, stay chasing.